Welcome to CarZone 2024, where today we are diving into the 2025 Acura RDX, a standout in the luxury SUV segment, designed to impress with its striking exterior. The 2025 RDX continues Acura's tradition of innovative and bold design, featuring a more refined version of its iconic diamond pentagon grille. This updated grille is flanked by sleek, LED headlights that provide a sharp and aggressive look, adding to the SUV's commanding presence on the road. Moving along the side, the 2025 RDX showcases a more sculpted and aerodynamic profile, with clean lines and a more pronounced character crease that enhances its sporty aesthetic. The model now features updated 19-inch wheels that complement its athletic stance, and new side mirrors with integrated turn signals, improving both style and functionality. The redesigned side skirts and extended wheel arches further contribute to the RDX's dynamic appearance. At the rear, the 2025 RDX presents a fresh take on its previous design, boasting a more refined tailgate with a new Acura emblem placement. The rear bumper is updated with a more aggressive diffuser, and the quad exhaust outlets are larger, emphasizing the vehicle's sporty performance. The redesigned LED taillights feature a distinctive signature design, making the RDX easily recognizable from afar. The 2025 model also introduces a new exterior color palette, offering shades like Apex Blue and Modern Steel Metallic. These colors are designed to accentuate the RDX's bold lines and sophisticated curves, ensuring it stands out in any setting. Additionally, the updated aerodynamic enhancements not only boost the SUV's visual appeal but also improve its overall performance, contributing to better fuel efficiency and a smoother driving experience. Acura's commitment to combining luxury with performance is evident in every aspect of the 2025 RDX's exterior. From its striking front grille to the aerodynamic rear, the RDX is designed to turn heads while delivering a dynamic driving experience. Be sure to stay tuned to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on the 2025 Acura RDX. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.